everyone, Brendan here from Buzzcut Studios, and today we're going to be doing a model review on my Drawbricks account. So this review is going to be of a 460 10-wheeler Camelback. Now, before I even mention this engine, some of you guys may point out it's Camleback Locomotive 305 at the Railroad Museum. Now, I may tell you that engine looks very similar to this engine, but it has some differences. The thing is this engine is painted black, but 305 has a diamond smokestack and is painted red. But they are sister engines after all. But we are covering this engine. Now, I'm going to tell you some real-life information about this engine. And also telling you where to find it. And, let's get started. 173 was built in 1873 by the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad's Mount Crater shops. At their 373, it was renumbered to 1703 in 1884, and then donated to Purdue University in 1901, where it arrived under its own power. It was then, in 1951, it was donated to the National Museum of Transportation in St. Louis, Missouri by the Purdue University. Since 2017, it's been undergoing cosmetic restoration. 173 is one of the 5 surviving Camleback locomotives. It is one of the only 2 camels, which is a proper name for this type of locomotive, where the cab is centrally mounted atop the boiler. Yet, the engine has relatively narrow firebox located between the driving wheels. Now, where's the location of this engine? The engine's being cosmetically restored inside the museum's workshop. Now, the second surviving Camelback engine, you guessed it, 305, I just told you about. Now, I'm going to show you some pictures of the engine in real life, and also some pictures of 305, too. Here's the picture of it in good cosmetic condition. Here's some pictures of it when it wasn't going under cosmetic restoration. Here's a picture of it in the Abbott building. And as you can see, that the firebox is at the back of the engine. That's the firebox right there. Now you guys may be wondering, if you look at it from the front, you guys may be wondering, that bell is nowhere to be seen. All American steam locomotives have to have a bell somewhere. Well, do you know where it is? There it is at the back of the engine. This is a picture with the front plaque thing on the front. And then soon it was taken off by the museum. Now this picture was taken a few years ago, and back there I think is another steam engine, which is a 440, and then all the way back there is the Eddy clock, and then in front of it is the Black Diamond when it was on display in the Abbott building. And here's her sister engine, 305. Now on to the juicy stuff. Me actually driving this engine.
I make homemade pizza for dinner.
Homemade pizza? Okay. Guys, we're talking about lunch with my mom, and we're eating pizza for dinner. And, hold on. Clearance. Okay, maybe I should actually put this thing on a better track for real. Oh god, the game just froze. Well, we're derailed. Well, since we just derailed 173, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. We hope you liked our show. Come back and see us tomorrow.